Various colors of politics now. Breaking news about Mulayam Singh Yadav now lashing out at the Congress again, calling it a party of traitors. The Samajwadi Party Supremo says the Congress will stoop to any level to stay in power but forgets its promises after getting the votes. Mulayam Singh Yadav once again lashing out at the Congress, so one really wonders how strong the UPA really is, because remember, Samajwadi Party with its 22 MPs is supporting the UPA from the outside, but conflicting signals constantly coming in. On the one hand, the support from the outside stays. On the other hand, Mulayam Singh Yadav making a statement that Congress is a party of traitors. They forget the parties that support them and also do not care about their allies after getting the votes. Amir Haq is now joining us with more details from Lucknow. Amir, more and more signs from the Samajwadi Party that all is definitely not well between them and the Congress.
Well, definitely, Maha, and this has been a scene over the last 4 to 5 months. Everybody knows that this is the run-up to the 2014 elections, and Samajwadi Party Supremo has frequently said that elections might just happen this year itself. Also, recently, Akhilesh Yadav, the Chief Minister here, said that we are all prepared for the Lok Sabha elections, even if they happen pretty early this year itself. And when that happens, definitely the Samajwadi Party will have to take it on against the Congress here, because these are, as they say, lean days of UPA2 now, and they will have to look at their own vote bank now and make it very distinct from what the Congress has.
Amir, what's the strategy of the Samajwadi Party? Is it looking at provoking the Congress party so that the ties can be broken and they are not blamed for it?
Well, Maha, as far as UP is concerned, apart from the other backward castes that Samajwadi Party leads here and expects most of its vote bank to come out of it, its voter base is very similar to what the Congress sees as their voter base here in Uttar Pradesh. So definitely they'll have to stand distinct and quite different from the way the Congress is here in Uttar Pradesh. And definitely that is how, and that is why they're taking it against the Congress, just so that they can appeal to their vote bank before the elections happen here.
Amir, stay on with us. Let's quickly tell our viewers what we've been getting in with regards to the changing hues that we're seeing in the political landscape. Mulayam Singh Yadav has now lashed out at the Congress party again, calling it a party of traitors. The Samajwadi Party Supremo has said that the Congress will stoop to any level to stay in power, but forgets its promises after getting the votes. Remember, this is a very crucial statement because the Samajwadi Party continues to support the UPA government at the center from the outside with its 22 MPs. It also knows that the support of these 22 MPs at this point, when the DMK has withdrawn from the UPA, is extremely crucial. Apart from arm twisting the UPA, they are also making statements like these now, provoking the Congress. Let's listen it to Mulayam Singh now.
चुनाव को देखते हुए हमेशा कांग्रेस पार्टी एक आध काम कर देगी। पहले कर्जा थोड़ा थोड़ा उठाव किया, हो गया, अब हम चलेंगे। इसी तरह से कुछ काम करेंगे। ये इतने चालाक है, इतने धोखेबाज है ये पार्टी के समय पर उनको ठगते हैं तो आप लोग वहां चले जाते हैं। इसे मजबूती से पढ़े लिखे नौजवान ये किसान के बेटे हैं।
Well, Samajwadi Party clearly giving all indications, remember, like Akhilesh Yadav had said in an interview to Rahul Kanwal, that they might just push for elections by October.